Zane's proving himself a worthy leader by guiding his huge family through some difficult challenges. But here in India's Western Ghats, life has evolved even stranger ways of ensuring the next generation succeeds. The monsoon sets the stage for one of the region's most exotic shows. These male dancing frogs are ready and waiting to perform. Curious Ravi heads over for a front row seat. With a chorus of croaks to alert female onlookers, their extravagant dance begins. They start by stretching one hind leg at a time, spreading their toes to reveal a dark webbing. The more expressive the dance, the more chance they'll get noticed. If that isn't enough, a hefty kick will deter rivals. Competition is fierce, with 100 male dancing frogs to every one female. They continue in the hope that a passing female will notice them and secure the next generation of dancing frogs. For Ravi, he's got a few years to wait before he needs to worry about impressing a mate. His troop now has plenty of food, so can spend more time socializing. The twins take the opportunity to practice their climbing once again. Ravi's growing more confident. He's ready to graduate to proper tree climbing. These brave steps open new doors, a chance to play with his older cousins. A glut of fruit has helped him build the strength to join the game. But the youngsters don't know that their rough and tumble has disturbed one of the world's deadliest creatures. A cobra. This time, it's a king cobra, and fully grown. These fearsome giants can reach nearly 6 meters in length, far bigger than any other venomous snake in the world, and capable of extreme aggression if it feels threatened. Ravi's boisterous play could result in deadly consequences if they get too close to the giant serpent. Ravi spots the danger. He's seen a snake before and knows what to do. It's his alarm call that brings an abrupt end to play. But the king cobra doesn't leave. He makes his way towards Ravi, who's alone in the tree. The adults below call out another alarm, but it's not for the snake. There's a second threat from above. A crested serpent eagle. These eagles have been known to carry off prey as big as a baby macaque. Sometimes salvation comes from the most unlikely place. Ravi survived a serious threat. But most importantly, he's helped protect the troop from imminent danger. He's come a long way in his first few months. From a small and vulnerable baby to a clever, adventurous member of the troop. He's had to come out of his shell and his mother's comforting embrace. He's got a lot ahead of him. As a male, he's destined to leave the troop and carve out his own future. Deadly predators and an ever-changing world will be constant challenges. But with a mother like Mindy raising him, a protector like AJ standing guard, and a father like Zane to learn from, Ravi stands a great chance of one day becoming the alpha male of his very own troop.